Such a little baby.
What is good, YouTube fam? It's your boy H-Town Sean.
And your girl Shay.
And we're back with another video. Guys, right now, we're packing up. We're getting ready to head to DF guys. It's gonna be a busy weekend. Yeah, it was a last minute decision, but guys, we have to go see some fam. You know, my mom, she lives in downtown Fort Worth, and it's been months since I seen her, guys. So I'm going to see my mom. Also, I have a lot of cousins in DF guys. So I'm gonna kick it with my cousins a little later, go downtown. Probably catch a bar in downtown Dallas, cause man, downtown Dallas
be jumping.
Hey, they be jumping for real. Like they giving Houston a run for their money on, you know, the nightlife. So yeah, guys, like I say, we're just gonna head to Dallas, guys. Go to the observation tower. If you don't know what that is,
ride on some scooters.
Yeah, that's that big old Space Needle. It's like the Space Needle in Seattle. Yeah. But anyway, guys, we're gonna go there. We're gonna go to the observation deck. We're gonna ride the Lime scooters downtown, guys. Maybe catch a bar, some food with my cousins, guys, and you know, just have a good weekend with the fam, guys. Pay my respect to my mom, guys. And I also, guys, I want you to see our old dogs. We're going to see our old dogs. My mom has them.
Dogs. They are beautiful. They
Fendi and
so
Prince.
Big.
Yeah, Fendi and Prince, guys. So you guys are gonna see our old dogs, and yeah, guys, it's gonna be a good day. So if you're watching the video right now, go ahead and
like this video, share this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you know every time we drop a new video. Ride with the mob.
Ride with the mob, guys, and we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Yep. You already know it, 1,000 subs. We're gonna send that PS4 out, guys. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I got to say this morning, guys. We'll see you in Dallas. Check my mom out. She thinks she young still. In the old vid. She bought the old vid out today. Man, she don't know old vid. Mama thinks she fly.
Bruh.
200 on the dash. Y'all, these used to be my dogs. Man, they got big.
Don't let Fendi go.
Fendi. Hey, Fendi. She want me to rub her. What's up, Prince? I know you don't want me to touch her. I know how you get jealous.
Fendi,
hey.
Let's go.
Hey, what's up, Prince? What's up, bro? You gonna tear my pants up?
Fendi.
Hey, Fendi. I know. Man, I miss these dogs, y'all.
Yeah.
I miss them. Hey, Prince. Hey, Fendi. Hey, baby. Hey.
For that one, he liked to jump.
Sean, you miss Prince?
I remember when he was a puppy and I used to see him.
I remember he was too. You remember? You miss him?
Right now, see what happened.
Prince. Fendi. We miss you too, Fendi. That nigga big now. You can't even pick him up now. He's so big. Prince. Prince.
He finna pee again.
Prince. Look at him, y'all. Stop. Look. Go, nigga. You know he'll hop in the truck.
Yeah, I know he gonna be trying to chase us when we leave.
Yeah, I want to buy some puppies. Holla at me. They make the best puppies, y'all.
Hey, Prince, sit.
Hey, but it's gonna cost a premium.
Okay, guys, we just now making it to the Marriott. That's where we're staying in downtown Dallas. We're gonna meet our cousins and have a nice time out. We're gonna go in here and check in. Oh, it looks good in here. nice little bar area. Oh, a nice little lounge area. Ooh, it's nice, the in and out type thing.
Kind of like the Galleria Mall.
Oh yeah, it is like the Galleria Mall. And look at the elevator.
It's quiet in here.
I know. Look at the donut plaza that we can probably get something to eat in the morning.
Highest floor, but she gave us floor 7.
Yeah, we still gonna have a nice view.
Yeah.
We got our cousin here. He's a chef. He got his own company, catering company. What's up, cousin?
So weird. Chef ORD.
Yeah.
Best chef in the world.
Yes, y'all. Next big event.
Triple C Lifestyle, you already know what it is.
Follow him on Instagram.
Yeah.
Triple C Lifestyle. CCC Lifestyle.
Yes.
With an S at the end, man. Yeah. Follow my kinfolk. Guys, look what happened to my drone, man. I'm out of commission right now. I gotta get a new drone. Somebody ran my drone over, man.
Yeah.
We in downtown Dallas, man. I was getting some beautiful drone footage, bro.
You gonna be able to see
And
what's
somebody
left of
hit
the
my drone
footage.
when it landed, bro. They ran it over and dipped on me.
Oh
A hit and run.
A hit and run of drone.
Kinfolk, that was messed up, huh? I know.
The other leg.
Gone, bro. But yeah, guys, we're about to head to this bar now, cause you know this little dilemma happened.
Yeah, we
Then
can't
we
let this stop no show.
close this vlog off. Yeah, can't let it stop the show. Yeah, man, this player right here. Kinfolk Studio. Check it out, y'all.
Shoot us a video.
Yeah, you need to shoot me an intro in here. It's 2 player. It's off the chain.
Make a movie right here, green screen effect.
Yeah, it's a nice little studio, man. Check this out. Step down there, boo. About to shoot us an intro. Nah, I'm playing.
We about to check out a bar and have a few drinks.
Yeah, downtown Dallas be popping.
Yeah.
Bars down this.
Yeah, now you see a closer view of this eyeball.
Look at the bottom of it, y'all. They spray painted it during the riots. That's what my cousin was telling me. That's what you said, cuz?
Yeah.
Yeah, they spray painted it during
and
the
so
riots.
they locked it up. First 48 building purple right now. It's really the Bank of America,
building.
but I know it for the
First 48.
First 48. Dallas,
Yeah.
Texas.
They're gonna show that green building.
Yup. They'll do that little aerial little view.
Crazy. Somebody got shot inside of it and he ran inside. To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go there.
Have a seat, guys. Yes, sir.
You got a menu that you're gonna serve in there?
My kitchen was supposed to be built out in the first one, like the first part. Like we've been here for like 2 months now. But it's been a long, we came a long way from being against the building. But just the way it was, 2 months, it was against the building. We got everything built. They had that site wall built. I called it in the beginning. I was like, watch my kitchen out the kitchen, see everything. The whole studio finished. Basically, we pushing back the grand opening to the 15th.
Oh, y'all did.
Why are we at like 45 years old? So 4 to 45.
Check out the views.
Bro, you lost, dude.
Can you zoom in on the home?
It's nice. Got our drink.
Oh, no. To get her to no, I said, no, I said, I was like, bro, I'll go and grab it.
Nah, cause it's good. It's
I can tell.
I was worried about breaking. That's the good thing about vlogging.
I know anything I say can.
I will get the food if I was
That's why I was like,
I will get a new one. Yeah, here he got there. I'm like,
but the thing is, which I agree.
Only in America, bro.
You ain't get no further tips
For real,
These are little margaritas. Kind of small, but it's good for the night. about to end this night off.
Oh, you already did.
Okay, we enjoying our night. Sean said he had too much to drink. Y'all, look at our drinks. Look at our drinks.
I already know what I'm saying. Hands down. See.
Yeah, we had enough to drink.
Hey, that's a good one.
Now we gotta get something else.
Fuel City. Yeah, good turn. I can't even talk right.
Yes, I really enjoyed ourselves. Man, it was a nice vibe. What beautiful views.
Man, I swear to God, this was a nice vibe right here, for real, for real. Man, hold up. Guys, I'm back at the hotel now, guys. I had a great night with my cousin, besides the fact that I lost my drone, but it's cool. I ain't gonna even really trip on it, guys. I got y'all some good footage, guys. And if you watched the video from beginning to end, guys, go ahead and hit that like button, hit the share button, guys. Subscribe to the channel, comment down below, guys. I appreciate you for riding with the mob today, guys. And I'll see you on the next vlog. Peace.